just taste. Let it
Let's
rip.
start back.
Let it rip.
Let him just do whatever he wants. He doesn't eat anything. No table food, no baby food. Oh, he did for a while, but
Does
he just don't do that. Say she don't want anything.
Really?
He'll start gagging. He hasn't even put it in his mouth. He starts going. Is he doing it right now?
Does he
Is it a texture
Taste
thing
it.
or is it just a
Yes,
taste
it's a
thing?
texture.
like to eat cake?
We're
This will
about
be
to
the
find
first
out.
time.
Is that good?
He's playing with
What is it, buddy? What is
So yeah, he
that?
starts going.
What is that,
Look,
buddy?
see, his mouth is watering. I
Yeah,
can tell
his mouth
he's
is
like,
watering.
see, he isn't eating anything. He's like,
What is
something
that, buddy?
going on. I don't know.
Oh my.
Lick your fingers, Papa.
I remember.
Go ahead.
Watch this.
Hey, try it. You like it, Daddy.
He just ate the red icing with me, but he took it off my finger.
So picky. There he goes. Okay.
Oh, yeah. What is that? What is
He's licking his
that?
lips.
What is that? Here, you gotta do it properly. So put some more paint on you. Put some more paint on you, buddy. There we go. Put some more paint
Oh
on
my
you.
gosh, when Caleb had his, he had it in his hair, his ears,
Everything.
his nose, I mean everywhere.
Put some more paint on you,
I
buddy.
have a feeling this is
This
how
is bright blue.
Oh, my.
Oh,
It's in his
no,
eye.
don't get it in your eye, buddy. Nope, not in your eye.
Let's just back him.
Oh, no, don't die.
Man, he looks like a messy frog.
Supposed to play with this.
He looks like a messy frog. I gotta go get a picture of this. He